Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need a sharp hook and direct goal. Start now. Identify a single persona and choose one metric to improve, CTR, lead cost, or VTR, so you can measure progress. Once defined, sketch a 30-60-second concept that lands the hero shot within the first 3 seconds. Make sure to state the main benefit immediately. You'll also pick tone and platform, short, punchy for social, cinematic for OTT, because creative format dictates execution and initial media choices. Now you move into building and testing. Produce 3 tightly focused variants, emotional, rational, and feature-led, and cut each into 6s, 15s, and 30s edits so you have platform-ready assets. Once done, set up a /B tests that track a single KPI per test. This avoids mixed signals and speeds learning. Make sure to rotate budgets every 3-5 days based on early performance, and pause the worst performers. Fast iterations beat slow perfection in competitive feeds. To finish, scale winners methodically and watch the math. Increase budgets in roughly 20% steps. Monitor CPA and ROAS after each bump so you avoid abrupt bounces. Once scaled, optimize continuously, refresh creative, expand lookalikes, and improve landing speed. These changes sustain growth. If performance drops, troubleshoot in order. Confirm tracking integrity, check ad frequency and creative fatigue, then reassess audience overlap. One quick fix often restores momentum. If not, revert and test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.